Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use developer mode in Wix Studio. Unlike the classic Wix editor, where you had to manually enable dev mode, coding in Wix Studio is always available. This gives you immediate access to powerful development tools right from the start. To access the coding environment, click on the curly braces icon in the left-hand navigation, then click Start Coding. This opens the built-in code editor at the bottom of your page. This setup gives you access to your site's page code, backend files, databases, code packages, and other developer tools. Wix Studio actually offers 3 different coding environments you can choose from. The built-in code panel is a browser-based editor that sits right inside your Studio interface, perfect for quick edits without leaving your site. The Wix IDE is a more advanced VS Code-based online environment that opens in a separate browser tab with hot reloading, giving you more screen space. For context, many developers have noted that transitioning from Velo in the classic editor to Wix Studio's new IDE is a significant change. The new environment is more powerful, but may take some getting used to, especially if you work primarily on a laptop. That's how you use developer mode in Wix Studio. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to my channel for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.